Happy 4th of July week, Accelerated Thinkers. The theme for this week, obviously, is freedom. And from my standpoint, a very important topic this week is health freedom. Now, we all take for granted the health freedoms that we have in this country, and we shouldn't, because taking them for granted causes them to be abused or not used. And if we look at the health status of America today, we can see that we've either abused our health freedoms and or not used our health freedoms to the best of our ability. Now, freedom means that you have the right or the ability or the freedom to choose. Health is not a right. Health is a choice. Health care is not a right. Health care is a privilege and a choice. Health, again, comes down to your choice. You don't have a right to be healthy. You're not promised health in life. Health comes from educating yourself on the actions and choices that lead to health, and then making those choices on a consistent basis. That's what I teach each and every day to my patients and all of you out there in cyberspace. Now, what choices do you have that lead to health, or what health freedoms do you have? Those are the choices to educate, first and foremost, yourself and your family on the health choices available to you, and which choices are healthy and which choices are unhealthy. Right along with that freedom to educate yourself, you have the choice to role model health to those who can't make the choice for themselves yet. That would be your children. So it's very important to educate yourself for your own health, but it's also important to educate yourself for the health of future generations, because those children are patterning their lives and making their choices based on the way that you role model your choices today. Those choices are what you decide to put in your mouth, what you decide to eat and drink, healthy or unhealthy. Those choices are, do you exercise each day? Are you going to get off the couch and go work out, or are you going to be a couch potato and watch the fat build up? Those choices are, what do you think? What you think and what you speak comes into existence. So are you role modeling healthy thoughts and healthy speech to your children? Another thing that goes along with that is the choice of who you surround yourself with. Do you surround yourself with positive, loving people who are seeking to actualize themselves, or do you surround yourself with negative Nancy's, so to speak? Those people who are unhealthy and not positive. Another thing that goes along with being able to choose health is that not choosing is a choice. Okay? Not choosing is a choice. So just saying, oh, well, you know, my grandma smoked and drank and lived to 93, or we're all going to die someday. That's not choosing. That's just letting things happen to you. And that's not a wise choice, because the universe works on entropy, and entropy means things fall apart. So if you don't take care of yourself and choose the right healthy choices, you will fall apart faster, and at some point you will regret the choice of not choosing and wish you had more years of life left. So not choosing is a choice, and don't choose that one. Lastly, I want to talk about how your choices impact future generations and this current generation beyond your role modeling. Every choice you make, especially when purchasing a health product, is a vote. You vote with your dollars. So if you are buying Monsanto GMO products, you are voting and telling Monsanto and telling the government that you are okay with genetically modified organisms going into your body. You are okay with your DNA being damaged, your telomeres being shortened, and cancer building in your body, compliments of Monsanto. Every time you purchase a prescription drug, you are voting in favor of Big Pharma. You are voting in favor of those toxic drugs killing you faster and leaching out of your body through your waste and into the water stream, into the fields of our farms, and into the earth. So every time you purchase a health product or an unhealthy product, you are voting by choice with dollars, and more products are being put out there for you. So this weekend on the 4th of July, I know hot dogs are a big American staple 4th of July, but don't vote for hot dogs. there's nothing healthy for you in a hot dog, and that's leading you farther and farther away from health with each one that you consume. Same thing with all the sugary drinks, the s'mores, all of that stuff. There are healthy options and healthy ways to celebrate the 4th of July and celebrate your freedoms. So this weekend, be thankful for the freedoms you have and exercise the freedom of choice and give yourself health for this 4th of July holiday, not sickness. Role model what's best for your children. I'm Dr. John Bartemus, and I'm here to help you make positive health choices. Have a great weekend.